Let's see, I started trying to learn Chamoru a few years ago. For the language, my dream is that my children will reach some level of fluency in my lifetime.
My dream for the Chamoru language is that it can thrive and continue to keep evolving like a dynamic language and like our culture for many, many generations to come.
Esti ilingüija, malagoo pa imanhopin porque tungo eka tamano usangan finut Chamoru, sa malagoo sa na esti ilingüija sempre mas ta imanhopin pumatungo.
So Chamorro is like my third language. I like the challenge, and I think it's like the most meaningful language that I've learned so far. It's allowed me to connect with family. I'm learning with my mom.
We're learning language, but we're also learning about our culture. So the medicine, the dance, the song. And so it's language and more.
I think for me, learning Chamoru is important because it's a part of who I am, and it connects me to not only those of us that are alive today, like our kin that are alive today, but our Saina from the past, and even in the future. I think it's just really important to be connected.
Learning Chamoru is important for me because it connects me more to my wife and to her family and to her traditions.
I'm looking forward to learning about the culture that I never really understood.
Just being able to take part in all of the experiences have really helped me see a lot of the richness of my culture, and working on my language at the same time has been incredibly powerful.
The language, it doesn't just live in my notebook and it doesn't just live on Zoom, but it's something that thrives in all the spaces of my life, as any language does.
Seeing how devoted everyone is to reclaiming our culture through our language learning is something that I'll take with me.
Everybody here is really inspiring. The group itself, when everybody's together, has just made this such an incredible experience, and the drive everybody has to learn their language.
My hope is that we can do this program again and we can encourage others to really come back home and enforce the importance of learning our language so that we could pass it on to the future generations.
Tunga fumina Chamoru, lau te tungo tumaitai, if dan te tungo no tumugi fumina Chamoru.
I have never felt more connected to the Chamoru language than I do now. And it's not only the language, but I feel a deeper connection with my father, my Chamoru community, the family that has been created from this program. I mean, we're all just so close now. This is the closest I've ever felt to Chamoru in my entire life.
Everyone a lot of them, it's like their first time on the island, and I feel like that really just made me appreciate our shared connection and our culture.
Part of this program was so many people came from the States, and you really can immerse yourself anywhere to be learning, but there's a way in which when you come here to the island, you're going to see things, you're going to be around the culture, you're going to be around people that you can't duplicate anywhere. So I feel more connected to the language and my culture from this work. And I will continue to do so and do my part to attempt to keep our language alive.